Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bob Walden and welcome to this product review where we're going to be taking a look at a mini compressor. This has been sent to us by Temu, who have nicely given us to show you off, as well as a really cool promo code for you to get your hands on one of these really cheap. Now these are, you probably might have seen them, you might not have, but they do, it's quite basically it's just a really cool mini compressor, which you also get like the airbrushes and everything with it. Just a quick sort of rundown. Basically you press this button and you get air. Really cool. Now these costs around about the £57 mark. Now I did ask for the kind of more upgraded one, but you can get them even cheaper than that on Temu. You know, I've seen them for like £40–30 as well. Now if you do download the Temu app and it's the first time you're using it, you can use this promo code from Temu where you can get this for a whopping £6.65, an absolute bargain for downloading the app and, you know, getting yourself one of these. It's really good. What I like about this, it's more of a sort of beginners kind of airbrush set, as well as if you're someone who kind of maybe travels a lot. I know I kind of like go around to other people's houses and shows and all this kind of stuff, and when you're carrying all this equipment with you, can be a pain. So rather cool to have something like this for a quick easy setup and traveling and all that kind of cool stuff, but definitely good for beginners. So let's take a look at what we get inside of here. Obviously you get the compressor itself, which is a very simple, easy device to use. As you see, you just press this button and we get air. On the back we do have where we can simply charge this, right, and plug that into any sort of USB outlet. Really nice and simple. We do get a airbrush, and I have been using this and it's an half decent airbrush, actually pretty good for beginners. And we get all these kind of adapters so that we can go about this in any way we want to go. So obviously first off we can screw this on and we can screw on our airbrush. I'll just keep it all nice and loose for now. And we've got this configuration in which it's just all there, which surprisingly does actually kind of feel quite nice in the hand. I do know when you sort of, if I kind of bring in a little model just here, I do know when we're actually kind of trying to spray a model, it may get in the way a little bit, but I have found that you could use anything, polystyrene or something, just to maybe sort of lift the model up, and you've still got that kind of good access, as you can see. So it's not a, you know, a major problem. What else have we got? We do get a hose, and again we've got all these different adapters, so you could, if you so wish, I'll just get this unscrewed. Right, we can basically, oh no we don't, we need the adapter bit for that. Let me just set this up. So I've just kind of set up our hose, and we can then nicely attach our airbrush to the opposite end. So you can have the configuration of, you know, your normal usual sort of hose on the end, and it all still works. So rather cool how you have all those options. We also do get a whole bunch of little nice accessories as well, just to get you started in the hobby. Yes, we have the means to clean our airbrush and a pipette to you know, pour in our paint or thinners, and we do get like 3 actual sets of cups just here, as you can see. Really nice and simple. We've got this nice sort of metal one with the cap, which is probably mainly what you're going to be using, but like, I mean, this isn't just for sort of scale modeling. I mean, it's like nail art and all that kind of stuff. So then we do have the really big guns here if you want to do some real serious maybe priming or something along those lines. Let's see this airbrush now in action. I've just added some primer just here, and we've got some little pieces of a 262 that I'm working on at the moment, and all we've got to do is press that button, comes on nice and easy, and we just spray as we normally would. Right, and it's so cool, it all works, everything all in one package. Right, and we can get that all nice and primed up. Even got a little Spitfire here we could do a little bit of priming too, just so as you can see this going down on a bit more of a bigger scale. And hopefully you can see that primer is going down lovely. Also, I mean, it's not that heavy in all honesty. I mean, if anything, you may get a little bit of a vibration in the hand, maybe a little bit strange, but you can always put the hose on if you don't want this all in one big configuration. But actually, I don't mind it, to be fair. A couple more things as well about the spec of this. The airbrush is a 0.3mm needle. To charge this, right, it takes around about an hour, and apparently it will last you somewhere in the regions of an hour and a half as well of spraying. So pretty good in that sense. So I mean, also, I mean, I'm just holding my finger down here and just keeping, you know, the air flowing, right, just whacking down this primer, you know, and it's still constant, it's consistent, it's still spraying, right. I mean, I'm just having no sort of, you know, it starts lagging off, you know, or the working pressure just gets too low after keeping your finger down too long. I mean, this is still spraying out nicely, hopefully, as you could see just there. So I mean, you could probably spray an entire model with this, and with an hour and a half of working time, I mean, yeah, you could probably do a whole spray job in a day with this. So pretty good. It gets a little bit warm, but I wouldn't say it's like anything, you know, it's just kind of like lukewarm. It's not like it's getting hot in your hand or anything like that. You know, and even when you kind of just leave it on without pressing the trigger down for air, it's not as if it's kind of building up pressure and pressure and pressure and it's going to explode. It just seems to be like leaking out somewhere, so as it doesn't do that. So you know, but you do have to turn it on and off. I mean, it's, you know, it's not like it's regulated to turn off when it's full, because there's not really a reservoir in here, it's just a constant flow. So all in all, it works, it does what it says on the tin. It's cheap, so you know, let's face it, it's cheap for you guys who are just starting the hobby and you're thinking, I wouldn't mind getting into airbrushing, but it's so expensive to buy compressors and buying airbrushes and buying all these things. You know, it's all a very expensive game when you first get started. So this, I do think, is a really cool new sort of recommended. You know, if you're getting started in airbrushing, right, you get the whole package, nice and cheap. It gets you started, and yeah, okay, later on down the road, you probably want to get a proper big compressor or maybe a really expensive airbrush, but it will still suit you after you've kind of got all that gear for any kind of, like, you know, out on the go kind of modeling or spraying, or what I've kind of found is you've got a little scratch on the car and you can kind of go outside in the car and just spray up any little scratches. But that's just me. Other than that, yes, big recommendation there. Thank you for Temu for sponsoring this by sending us this nice and free to show you guys, as well as giving you this really cool offer of £6.65 if you download the Temu app and buy it as your first purchase off Temu. Other than that, hopefully you've enjoyed. Thank you again for Temu. Do get yourself one, but as always, until next time, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.